That duck's a pimp.
Huh?
That duck's a pimp. Because you know, that's one male and two females.
Hey. I'm not eating anything.
You gotta feed your harem. Only 3 ducks in this whole pond.
Yeah, you're welcome. Here you go.
Saying thank you, honey.
You're welcome. There you go.
Honey, what are you doing?
Feeding ducks.
Do you like it?
Yes, I do. I love feeding ducks. I'm gonna be a good old man, I'm telling you.
You're gonna be a good old man. Here, you got the grumpiness down. Are we allowed to feed the ducks?
Yeah.
That's real life.
I'm raising like a $500 fund for Austin Fred right now. 5:30. 5:45.
I'm gonna turn off the video so I can stop the evidence.